Llongyfarchiadau, ti'n rhan o garfan Gwpan y Byd. Sut mae hynna'n teimlo?
Dyma Gwpan y Byd, dyma y pinnacle o flaen chwarae dros Cymru. Mae'n teimlo'n enfawr.
Mae'r gwain ar y dywynaf, deud yn cyfan.
Waited so long to go to a World Cup, 64 years, and it's just a proud moment to say that we're going to a World Cup. It's the biggest tournament in the world. From when you're a little lad, you've always dreamt of playing in the World Cup, and to be able to do that, it's just a dream come true.
Mae fe am bach fwy special, falle mae'n mwy anodd I bod yma, so fi'n siŵr, ond dyn ni mor gyffroes nawr.
It's the biggest stage in the world, so it's going to add that extra bit of pressure, of course, and it's always that different feeling representing your country. It's going to be one that we're all going to be really excited for.
Ti di pacio'r ces na eto? A beth sydd yn y ces?
Shin pads, boots, cwbl o llyfrau.
Llyfrau?
Dim lot spec clothes, eitha syml I fod yn honest.
Trainers and my shin pads, that's basically it, and that's all I need, I think, is it? Maybe I can sneak some bags of sweets in for the boys, maybe, just before we go.
Yeah, your phone, your headphones, iPad, long flights, you're going to be watching a lot of films. My Xbox, we've got a group of us who play, and my sunglasses. That's it, yeah.
Yeah, because it's going to be sunny, hopefully, and very warm in Qatar. How are you going to cope with that heat? Have you prepared, or...?
Packed a lot of sun cream, so that's how I prepared, yeah.
Sut wyt ti'n ymdopi fo'r gres na? Ti'n barod amdani?
Fydd e'n bach o sioc i'r system, ond I fod yn holl onest, dwi'n meddwl mae pawb yn edrych ymlaen I cael bach I weld y hael, ac gobeithio fydd ddim yn problem I ni.
To be fair, I'm not prepared for it. Don't know what to expect, and of course playing in hot conditions is going to be difficult, but at the end of the day, it's a game of football, and it's one we're going to give everything to win, and hopefully we can do that.
Ti di llwyddo I sgorio cwpl o goliau I Spurs yn ddiweddar, felly os wyt ti'n llwyddo I sgorio allan y Qatar, sgen ti celebration yn barod I fynd?
Na, os fi'n sgorio, bydd y panic yn dod mewn, felly dim ond teimlad o hybris roedd, dwi'n siŵr.
That's the thing, I don't score, so I'll probably just look at my wrist and a little caption is saying, about time I scored.
Ti ddim wedi sgorio gol dros Cymru am mlynyddoedd nawr, so...
Ti byth yn gwybod?
Ti byth yn gwybod, falle bydd rhaid fi paratoi rhywbeth gefn I weld.